Good day, sir. I am Roel Estucio Jr., BS Stream 3 Foxtrot. My topic is all about trial preparation and testimony. Process and gathering, organizing evidence. So testimony is statement of witness. In testifying, you should begin preparing for the witness chair and should take the following steps. So number 1, discuss the lawyer, attorney who will present you as a witness. What is expected, how your testimony is to be used, and when you will expected to testify. Number 2, review all available documents pertaining to the issues being litigated. So case to be settled, so para masolvad. Number 3, discuss your testimony with the lawyer and what line of questioning will be used to develop case and have a general idea of how you will respond to the questions. So number 4, consider what the defense counsel's approach will be and the area he will most likely probe during cross-examination to legal process work. So a witness is questions. Yeah, a lawyer helps someone who is accused of doing something wrong. Yeah, duties and responsibilities. The forensic examiner various responsibilities and duties during judicial proceeding. So when the forensic examiner, a professional who analyze evidence and opinions. Yeah. Legal process where judges make their decisions of what should happen. Number 1, in a criminal cases, review the prosecution memorandum. So prosecution memorandum, kung unsa imong angay gamiton na memorandum ana nga problema. Yan. Number 2, in criminal cases, review the charge filed. It is for specific allegation of the criminal act. Kung unsa ang sangit. Number 3, review anticipated evidence to prove and disapprove the charge of information in ring code of criminal cases or support any plaintiff of respondent position in civil cases. So kung unsay angay og tinuod nga istorya sa court. Number 4, check the evidence to be presented in the court, whether criminal or civil. Number 5, advise the lawyer of potential technical problems. Imo i-advise ang lawyer kung nana bitaw mga potential na technical problems. Number 6, determine the clearest and manner to present the testimony in terms that judge will understand. So ginikuan mo sa kung ito dapat nga klaro kayo may konsulti nga para ang judge dali rin niya masabtan po. Number 7, prepare tentative summary based on the evidence that expected to be admitted. So dapat kuan ka forensic examiner dapat magkuan ka summary sa unsay konsulti sa judge. Number 8, supply the lawyer you are assisting to written statement of your qualification as a forensic examiner or current ratio. Number 9, testify only those matters that presented by the lawyers to court. Testify of the istorya. 10, take note regarding the evidence that is presented and make exhibit and prepare a list documentary exhibit of both sides, whether in a criminal or a civil case. So dapat sa kuan mag-take ka unsay ipang-take note imong regarding the evidence. evidence that has been overlooked. It is important that all evidence necessary, important to support our testimony has been admitted. So as a forensic examiner, dapat alerto ka. So the elements of effective expert testimony of proper courtroom behavior. So number one, the expert witness before testifying is court must have his evidence and testimony prepared, should have at least one pretrial conference with a trial attorney. Number two, the expert witness must have confidence in his opinion based upon his knowledge, experience, and proper preparation. Confidence is an intelligence faith based on fact. So dapat confidence ka nga sa imong mga testimony ba. Number three, the expert witness must create a good expression of himself to the court. He should come to the court dressed simply and clean, straight clothes and keeping with his style. So dapat maadto kag sa court, dapat formal imong pamurma dili kay kanang tamo murag kag nara sa balay yana. Para pod kan ba dapat sa kuan dapat formal gyud ka kay lahat kay maadto ka sa kuan kung sinuuban kay murag kong parte. Number four, enter the courtroom with an aggressive and positive walk, giving assurance that you are prepared to bear whenever may confront you. It's to walk for your most amen that indicate. So, ready o confidence ka nga sa imong ibang storya sa korte. Number five, upon reaching the witness stand, turning the court the bistworm, he should raise his hand without hesitations and let his voice ring out and clear, forceful. Without hesitation, he takes and stand it down with a comfortable but erect positions. Number six, the expert must have the ability to explain his technical subject in simple and clearly language. Understand by the trial judge, make it easy and yet understand what you are talking about. Second sentence with a simple, clear and logical presentation. So kaning simple and clear language dapat og kintahay mag-English mo, dapat mag-English pud mo tanan way kanang Bisaya kay para magkasinabtanay mo kay kuan mo kitay ako mag-Bisaya ko niya and kuan mag-English. So di may magkasinabtanay ana kay kuan man lahi man kuan isa nag-English niya, ikaw dito nag-Bisaya ka. So dapat kuan mo kanang pareha mo yung kuan sa language. Number seven, present your opinion in a friendly spirit. Be natural and speak it normal, down to earth and congenial manner. Be a human. Sincerity is displayed by the expert in the manner of his speech. It will be conveyed in the ring of his voice, his facial expression, and his bodily movement. The sightness and indicates by his tone to voice or by any gesture that is doubtful will destroy the confidence of the judge. You cannot hide the sincerity. If the expert does not believe in his ideas and opinion whole, he cannot make others believe in him. The voice. So more daw